Artificial intelligence is here, and it's believed it is a transformative technology. And it's going to affect our society, it's believed, both in positive and negative ways. Over the past 3 months, I've been actively working with this technology. At the encouragement of Jensen Huang, I developed my own AI agents, 2 of them. The first agent is Bard. Bard is a young man who goes into the internet every day and searches on my behalf for those stocks that we deem to be growth stocks. In our terminology, a growth stock is any stock, any company that is growing its revenues over the past 3 years in excess of 20% per year, and then is projected to either duplicate that or exceed that in the coming 3 years. He then verifies that what are the analysts saying their earnings per share are going to grow at over the next 3 years. And again, we're looking for that magic number of earnings per share growth in excess of 20% per year over the next 3 years. Once those stocks are found, we sort through 6,000 stocks and come up with those that we think are the best for our community. We hand them over to Samantha. Samantha is a young lady. She's my AI agent, who then analyzes each of those stocks based on a prompt that I have generated, which is over 1.5 pages long, that again goes into more depth answering the question, what is a growth company and which is the best growth companies for the situation and the world economic situation that we are in today. I then share that information with my tribe, a group of about 1,000 people, which we are striving to grow to 1 million people to create a new way to invest. Is it a new way to invest? No, not really. It's Wall Street's way to invest. It's what they've been doing for decades with their access to compute power, with their access to knowledge, with their access to data. This is what they've been doing for decades. That's why it's impossible to beat them. Until now. The playing field has been leveled, I believe, and I'd like to give you a glimpse of what the playing field looks like now. So I'm inviting you to come to my website, bestofusinvestors.com, and look at the research that we're doing and see if you want to be a part of it. It will cost you less than $1 a day, but I want you to have a 14-day free trial so you decide, do I want to be a part of this new way to invest? Do I want AI agents at my disposal? Because the one thing I know is they're only going to get better.